Hi, my name is Mike, and welcome to Sleekr Digital. We will explore the membership management dashboard in Paid Memberships Pro. We will check how can we track members, activity, manage subscriptions, and handle payments effectively. To begin, navigate to the Memberships and then the Members tab. Here, we can see the list of all members, including their username, display name, email, level of subscription, start date, and end date. And we can also add the members by clicking on this Add New Member. Here, we can add the member by manually writing the name of the member, their email, first name, last name, and the last name. We can also set the password for the members to log in. And we can send this member an email about their account by clicking on this option. And we can write the note for the member here. By doing this, click on Create User. Now, as you can see the members is created here. Now we can click on Edit Member. Here, we can see the detail about the members, user info, email, first name, last name, and the member's notes. When we go to the Memberships tab here, we can see the details about the membership they have purchased. So, we can also edit the membership by clicking on this Edit option. Here, we can change the level of expiry date from here. You can also send membership change email to member by clicking on this option. By doing this setting, we can click on Edit Membership. Scrolling down, we have a Membership History tab. Here we can see the information about the membership purchased by this member, with the ID, level of membership, start date, date modified, and the end date, and the level of cost of membership they have purchased, and we can also check the status of membership from here. And we go to the Subscriptions tab here, we can see the information of subscription purchased by the membership. In the Orders section, we can see the information about the orders placed by the members. We can also check the status of the order, if it has been paid or unpaid in the Status tab. When we click on the Edit option, we can see the detail about the specific order. We can set the date of the order, and we can see the user ID of the member. And we can also edit the membership level ID by clicking on this option. We can change the membership level also from here. While scrolling down, we have billing details of the members and the payment information, and then the payment gateway they have used, and then the additional order information. To communicate effectively with the members, set up an email notification by going to Settings in the Email tab. We can customize the emails, membership expiration, reminders, or send personalized messages to engage with members. Here, in the Send Emails From option, we can write the email address here. And in the From Name tab, we can write the name from who have sent the email. And we can also apply the filter by clicking on this option. By doing this all, click on Save. If you're having an issue with email delivery from your server, as an alternative, Paid Memberships Pro offers a built-in integration to Sendinblue. You can also connect to them. While scrolling down, we have other email settings. And we can enable this WP email notification where member will get email confirmation from Paid Membership Pro after checkout. By doing this, click on Save Settings. In the Email Templates tab, we can customize the subject and body of emails sent through a membership site. We can also disable a specific email or send a test version through this admin page. If you want to edit any template, click on this Edit option. Here you can edit a specific template you want. You can change the subject and the body for the template. And you can click on Save Template. While scrolling down, you can see the information about the variable reference, the general setting, and the billing information. While doing this all, you can click on Save Changes. By staying on top of your members' activity, tracking their subscription, effectively communicating, we will ensure a smooth experience for everyone in your membership program. This wraps up member management and communication. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful videos.